If you're a hobbyist and a maker like me, well, I have the perfect tool for you. What we have is a mini drill press, but you don't have to buy the motor. What it does is it actually takes your rotary tool, you put a drill bit in your rotary tool, you put it inside, and it turns your rotary tool into a mini drill press. How cool is that? That's going to keep you from having to use one of those big ones all the time. The big ones are nice to have, but it's also nice to have something for those smaller projects as well. Let's go ahead and take a closer look at this drill press adapter. All right, here it is. Check this thing out. Now, of course, the rotary tool is sold separately. It does not come with it. But what you do get is you get the actual mini drill press. It is all made out of cast iron. It's very, very heavy, all metal. You do get 3 different plastic bushings, because you put the bushing on, basically you put the bushing on your rotary tool, and it's going to go in here to size this. I have the smallest one for my rotary tool that's already installed. You're going to get the Allen wrenches for adjusting the up and down, and also for doing maintenance on the machine as well. It's got the measurements of degrees on the side, so if you're trying to drill an angled hole, which is very nice to have. You do have the lever here to actuate the actual drill press. And if you spin it around to this side, you can see you also have your depth gauge, so you know how far you are drilling, and that is fully adjustable as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this carving bit out and put a drill bit in here, and we're going to see how well this little thing works. Alright, so you can see I have my rotary tool in here now. I have a drill bit in here. You can see that when I pull the arm down, it actually actuates to help you drill through your project. Let's go ahead. We're going to give it a try. This is one of my models that I've been working on. I'll turn this on. And just like that, it works extremely, extremely well. You can tell that my rotary tool is locked in there very tightly. This is going to be excellent for building those models. I use it for combat robots. That's what this actually is, a chassis for a combat robot. And it's going to save you the trouble of always having to get out the big drill press. And plus, it'll be much easier to drill those little finer holes with this as compared to, trying to use a big drill press to drill those tiny little holes. Second use that I can think of that I'm going to use this for is I'm going to use this bushing right here to hold my soldering iron. And you have little heat set threads that you can melt into plastic, and I'm going to use that to basically melt in my little threaded inserts into my plastic parts. So very, very cool. Your imagination is your only limitation as to what you can do with this thing. It's very sturdily built. Like I said, it's all made out of steel. There are no plastic parts except for the handle tip, the cap top, and the indicator right here. You can also stick your cord up here like this if you need to get it out of your way. So a very well thought out product, and it's going to make hobby life and just normal life in the garage that much easier. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.